So today I received this 8-quart stainless steel stock pot from VEVOR, and I did get this in exchange for this review. This is the box it came in. We're going to go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like, and check it out. Here is this steel pot out of the package. Has a glass lid. It fits perfectly on there. Fits it nice and snug all on that pot. Has some welded handles here. It's not too heavy either. For the size of pot this is, I thought it would be a lot heavier. It's not. Great, because I don't really like to carry heavy stuff, especially when there's water boiling in it. Let's take a look inside. So that's pretty nice for an 8-quart. On the bottom here, you have 5-layer composite base. So with the 5-layer composite base, what that means is it should just heat that more evenly inside. So, you know, instead of it just being hot here or here, it should do it evenly throughout the bottom. So a little information about this pot is it does meet FDA standards, and it is a 304 stainless steel material. And it is compatible with most stovetops, ceramic, electric, gas, and induction that it will work with. It also suggests that you please wash any pot and pan you get in warm soapy water. And it does say that this is not recommended for dishwasher. So please hand wash these. Another good tip on stainless steel that, I was reading through, avoid using metal utensils as they can scratch the non-stick surface. So, this is just perfect size for me. I can use this to boil my eggs, cook my pasta, vegetables. Perfect size pot. I'm happy to have it. And I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a good day.